See the fire.
Oh, look at these guys.
एकदा पूर्ण राऊंड मारून दे ना. म्हणजे मग काय काय घ्यायचं
Oh, you're not your please. Truffle? Truffle to go? Truffle to go? Thank you. Okay. I want to take it on the side. Wait, that was not the front. There's something at the bottom of the drink that you're not looking for.
Yeah, I like the sugar cookie. That's what I got. That's what I'm No, I like this. I'm kind of scared. Thank you so much. And then, like, I got you on the side. Oh, yeah. And I hope that they keep
I'll just hold this for us.
Thank you.
Hey,
Take a look at this one, bro. Yeah, come on in. Sample it.
Hey, how are you? Are you from New York? You from here? You make videos and stuff? Oh. No, you can record if you want to. I'm not video ready. Do it. If, whatever you want to do, you can do it. This is cocoa butter for skin. Be careful. Here we go. I'm gonna give you a little gift. Try it, okay? Here we go. It's good stuff, cocoa butter. But I'm sure you know.
Where you from, bro?
Hold on.
Let
me put cream top like this.
My family from Egypt. I'm happy to Ah, thank you. Oh, you made it in Egypt? Yeah. Oh, see?
Oh, the fruit.
Bro, you live here? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get the pie and the chicken fry. just a train ride.
In KC, we went to a restaurant.
Sıcaksın getir. Güzel bir kamera seni çek. Güzel sağlam bir şey olur. Bakalım olmaz.
That does sound good. I'm gonna try yours.
Yeah, well, we're gonna try mine.
Yeah, I gotta.
Enjoy. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Esas bolitas de queso. Qué buenas, estarán buenas, chicas.
This one is cheese one. If you want, he wants to try.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
How you doing? Gray's Mini Donuts. Come try them out. Harold Market. Thank you.
Gray's Donuts, fresh mini donuts, hot chocolate, coffee. We're here till January 3rd. Come out and support.
Hi, how are you? How you doing? Good. Me too. Good. How's everything? Good?
Everything good.
That's great.
No show going on, man. I need video. I need content. I need video.
Make a movie.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
No, this pepper.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. You too. You know, this right here on 34th Street. like everybody, so like you can see the food and all stuff like that.
Carrie?
Today is on the 20th on December. So what we're doing, like we're showcasing everyone that's selling street food, stuff like that. So, I mean, if you're visiting New York today, get ready because it's all traffic everywhere. Just right next to front of Macy's, it's a whole vibe. So I hope you'll be here, and I wish you a happy holiday. You can see 360. What's going on here? That's in New York City, on 34th Street, Broadway. Just right on Broadway, in front of Macy's, between 34 on 35th Street. So right there you see, so like everybody line up. You can see it. I know sometimes you guys think it's so hard to bring content, but like this content, just bring it to you to like just show you guys like how people are celebrating holiday in New York. Today's, if you here, make sure there's a traffic all over the place. From 37 Broadway to 34th Street in front of Macy's, everything is shut down. No driving through. Just only food traffic. You get to get food with your loved one, with your friend and family members. If you are around New York, and enjoy your holiday. Okay. As for say, you know, family that pray together, stay together. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and share.